Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Hot 40i and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do that is opening Google Chrome application, where we press on the three dots on the right corner and there scroll down to the settings selection. In it we look for password manager and there we can turn on or turn off function as save passwords auto sync in, or we can manage password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. To do that we press there, and now we can copy our email, copy our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also add some information or delete our email and passwords. We can delete all by this brush icon and confirm all by delete passwords, and now we don't have any saved passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!